Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to cover Chapter 12, Section 2, Surface Areas of Pyramids. After studying this section, you'll be able to find the surface area of pyramids. So a pyramid has only one base. Its lateral edges are not parallel, but meet at a single point called the vertex. The base may be any type of polygon, but the lateral faces will always be triangles. The diagrams above show three types of pyramids. Notice a triangular pyramid because my base is a triangle, a rectangular pyramid because the base is a rectangle, and a pentagonal pyramid because the base is a pentagon. Notice that each pyramid is named by its base. So a regular pyramid has a regular polygon as its base. Remember, a regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and congruent angles, and also has congruent lateral edges. Thus, the lateral faces of a regular pyramid are congruent isosceles triangles. Recall from section 9.8 that the altitude of a regular pyramid is a perpendicular segment from the vertex to the base. Also recall that a regular pyramid's slant height is the height of a lateral face. So in my diagram to the left, I have my slant height and my altitude. The altitude and the slant height determine a right triangle. And in my figure to the right, again, I have my altitude and my lateral edge, and the altitude and the lateral edge determine a right triangle. Problem 1, we're given the regular pyramid shown at the right. Find its lateral area and its total area. So remember, lateral area of a regular pyramid is the area of the four lateral faces. So if I find the area of one of those faces and multiply it by 4, I would have the lateral area. Notice in one of those isosceles triangles, I have a base of 12 and a lateral edge of 10. If I drop a perpendicular bisector, that would give me a leg of 6, and I can find my height using the Pythagorean theorem. I know this is a triple, so my height is 8. So my slant height of these are 8. So if I find the area again of one of these triangles, the area of one of these triangles would be 1/2 base times height. I know my base is 12, and I know my height is now 8. So 1/2 times 12 times 8. 1/2 times 12 times 8 is 48 units squared. So I know the area of one triangle is 48 units squared. So the area of 4 triangles would be 4 times 48, which is 192 units squared. So the lateral area of this regular pyramid is 192 units squared. Now if I want to find the total area, it's going to be the area of the square plus the area of the 4 triangles. Now I know, since this is a regular pyramid, the area of the square would be 12 times 12, which is 144. Add that to 192, which was the area of the 4 triangles. 144 plus 192 will be 336 units squared. So the total area of the regular pyramid is 336 units squared. Problem 2. The base of a rectangular pyramid ABCDE is 10 by 18. The altitude is 12. The lateral edges are congruent. Why is ABCDE not a regular pyramid? And find the pyramid's total surface area. So if I look at ABCDE is not a regular pyramid because it does not have a regular base. Notice I have a length of 10 and a width of 18. If it was a regular base, it would have both length and width be the same. So this is not a regular pyramid because it does not have a regular base. Now I want to find the pyramid's total surface area. In order to find the total surface area, I'm going to have to find the area of the base and the area of my 4 triangles. Notice when I find the area of the 4 triangles, it will actually be 2 sets of triangles. So my total area would be the area of my base, which is a rectangle, plus 2 areas of one triangle, plus the 2 areas of the other triangle. Now, in order to find the areas of my triangles, I need their heights. Notice, because of my altitude of 12, I can use the 12 and my side lengths to find my slant heights. So if I look at triangle AGF, it has an altitude of 12, and then GF is a length of 9. That means it has a slant height of 15 because 9, 12, 15 is a Pythagorean triple. Now, if I look at my slant height of AH, it has an altitude of 12 and it has a length of FH of 5. So AH would be a length of 13 because again, that's another Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, and 13. So my two triangles will have bases of 10 and heights of 15, and the other triangle will have a height of 13 and a base of 18. So the area of my two triangles would be 150 units squared and 234 units squared. So now if I want to find my total area, I would add the area of the triangles to the area of the rectangle. Notice the area of the rectangle would be 10 times 18, which is 180 units squared. The area of my two triangles was 150 units squared and 234 units squared. Adding these together will give me a total area of 564 units squared. In this lesson, we learned to find the total surface area of a pyramid, find the area of the base, and add it to the area of the triangles. That's a wrap on this video. We'll see you in the next one.